you from Quezon City Sports Club as we continue Season 2 of the Members League Inter Undrafted. We have here our Sweet Smile Dental Best Player of the Game, Mr. Jomari Garcia, with 21 points, 12 rebounds, 1 assist, and 1 steal. So, how did you prepare for today po?
Tamang usap-usap lang kami kasi alam mo naman, next week is playoffs na, parang kumukuha lang kami ng kumpiyansa para yun lang yung sinasabi ko sa kanila, easy lang kami tapos for next week for the playoffs.
What's one thing you want to improve next week?
Yung defense talaga parang hindi pa kami ganun kagamay kasi di ba magkakaibang team kami pero yun nga defense talaga yung defense.
Okay, lastly, anyone you want to give a shoutout?
Shoutout nga pala unang-una sa asawa ko na lagi ako pinapayagan na maglaro. Sa baby ko, kay Teo, sa team na Hurly Burly, yan, mga dyan, yan. Kay AJL, sa PLDT Boys, sa lahat sa mga supporter sa Hurly Burly.
Yan, once again, our best player of the game is Sir Jomari Garcia of Team Hurly Burly. Please like and follow our FB page, Undrafted Ballers Club. Thank you po.
Thank you.